Have you ever stopped to ponder the celestial ballet that unfolds above your head? Not just filled with sparkling stars and celestial bodies, but also a cloud of man-made objects? Welcome to the world of space junk, a persistent and growing problem that started with the dawn of the space age. Picture it, the year 1957. The Soviet Union launches Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite. A triumph of human ingenuity, yes, but it also sowed the seeds of a problem that would grow in the shadows of our space explorations. Sputnik, after completing its mission, became the first piece of space junk, orbiting Earth as a silent testament to our ambition. The problem didn't stop there. Over the following decades, as nations raced to conquer space, more and more satellites joined Sputnik's ghostly dance. From defunct satellites to spent rocket stages, from fragments from disintegration, erosion, and collisions to even lost equipment from astronauts, the number of debris started to swell. By the 1970s, the issue became apparent. With the increasing launch of satellites and spacecraft, the risk of collision escalated. Even a tiny bolt traveling at high speed can cause catastrophic damage in space. The Kessler syndrome, proposed by NASA scientist Donald Kessler in 1978, painted a grim picture. It suggested a future where the density of objects in low Earth orbit is high enough that collisions between objects could cause a cascade, each collision generating space debris that increases the likelihood of further collisions. Fast forward to the 21st century and the situation is even more critical. With the advent of mega-constellations, large groups of satellites working together, more than 20,000 trackable pieces of space debris now orbit our planet. This poses a significant threat not just to our existing satellites, but also to the International Space Station and its crew. We cannot ignore the problem anymore. Various solutions, from using nets and harpoons to capture debris, to deorbiting satellites at the end of their life, are being explored. Yet, the challenge lies not just in cleaning up, but also in preventing the creation of more space junk. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed from the dawn of the space age with Sputnik to the present-day problem of space debris. We've seen how our ambition for exploration has led to a cluttered and dangerous space environment. We've discovered the Kessler syndrome and understood the potential cascading effect of space collisions. And finally, we've pondered over the solutions being explored to tackle this issue. The story of space junk serves as a reminder that every action has a consequence. As we reach for the stars, we must also remember to care for the space that enables us to dream. For in the end, the health of our planet and its surrounding space is in our hands. We created the problem of space junk, and it's up to us to solve it. Because if we don't, we risk trapping ourselves on Earth, caged by a shell of our own making.